Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about burner head for garland part number 4522273. The burner head for garland part number 4522273 is a replacement part for garland commercial cooking equipment. It is a cast iron burner head that is designed to fit garland commercial range models GR24G, GR36G, and GR48G. The burner head has 4 ports that are used to connect the gas supply line and the pilot light. It also has 4 mounting holes that are used to secure the burner head to the range top. The burner head is designed to provide an even distribution of heat across the cooking surface, ensuring optimal performance from your garland range. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner head for garland part number 4522273 is designed to replace a damaged or malfunctioning burner head on a garland range. It can fix symptoms such as uneven heating, poor flame control, and inadequate heat output. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the gas supply to the stove. 2. Remove the old burner head by unscrewing it from the gas line. 3. Clean any debris or dirt from the area where the new burner head will be installed. 4. Place the new burner head onto the gas line and secure it with a wrench or pliers. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks around the connection points with a soapy water solution. If there are no leaks, then you can proceed to install the other parts of your stovetop, such as grates and burners. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.